My name is Mei and I run a handmade jewelry studio in Los Angeles, and this is a day in my life running my small business. I always have caffeine in the morning and say good morning to my coworkers. Since everything is handmade to order, every morning I organize my studio and take inventory of materials that I need to reorder. And I write everything down in this notebook, and this includes beads, chains, charms, clasps, and anything else that I might need in the studio. The next part of my day is once again taking inventory of what I have in stock, what I'm currently working on, what I need to complete, and what I need to start creating from scratch. I'm currently working on building stock for my upcoming pop-up this November from the 18th to the 19th in Los Angeles, and I wanted to bring some custom pieces to this pop-up. So I'm working on some of my best-selling designs. These are the custom pearl initial and custom pearl zodiac sign necklaces. And that's honestly it. Once I've gotten all of my inventory done for the day, I basically just follow a list of what I need to create, and I'm in my studio until probably midnight. So that is a day in my life of being a jewelry maker, and I hope to see you guys at my pop-up.